Hello everyone. As you can see, we have two bars here. One is dark chocolate and other one is white chocolate. So in this video I'm going to share each and every tips and tricks for making chocolates. So be with us till the end of the video to get all the tips and tricks. So let's start. And before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications. And let's get started. We have berries here. These are mixed berries, blueberries, blackberries and strawberries, dried ones, and some nuts here. So as you can see, we are going to chop the nuts and let's slightly dry roast it on slow flame. We have almonds, cashews and pistachios. And now chop the berries also in equal portions in same size. And we have chopped almonds and pistachios, dry nuts also. So we are taking compound chocolates. One is white and other we have taken dark compound. So take the white one and chop it in small pieces, and white compound we are going to melt on double boiler method. So this is our first method. So I have taken this heat proof bowl, glass bowl, and we are going to melt on double boiler. So I have prepared double boiler. So I have taken our water is boiling, and now put our chocolate on boiler. Don't heat chocolates on direct on heat, otherwise chocolate will burn. And keep on stirring so that equal heat is distributed in the chocolate. So chocolate is melting now. So chocolate is melted. Keep on stirring and let it take it off from the flame and mix it well and cool it a little bit so that it becomes at room temperature and we can work with that. Don't put hot chocolate in the mold. So I have taken silicone mold here, so no need to grease it. Put some chocolate on it and spread it like this all around the mold. And now we are going to put some berries on it so that our white chocolate get the benefits of the berries and we can eat and our kids can eat guilt free, because berries are rich in antioxidants and they are very good for your skin and your health, immunity. And these days, as we know, immunity is the first priority for all of us. So you can hide the berries or you can show. This is totally up to you. I'm going to put some berries on top of the chocolate bar, so that everyone can see what is inside the chocolate. So let it cool slightly, let it cool completely and set it. After some time it is set, and look at this. This is so beautiful. So second method, now let's chop the dark chocolate and we are going to melt this in microwave. So melt the chocolate in the microwave in a heat proof bowl with the intervals of 30 seconds. After every 30 seconds we have to stir it very well. Stirring the chocolate makes it shiny, it gives shine. So this chocolate also comes at room temperature. And now we are going to pour this in mold and spreading the chocolate like we did in previous white chocolate one. And now we are going to put some nuts, dried nuts, almonds, cashews, which are already slightly roasted. Roasting makes the chocolate more tastier. I'm going to put some nuts on top of the chocolate also, so that it looks really nice and looks really healthy also. So let it cool completely, and this is also set properly, and we are going to demold it. As you can see, our chocolate is ready and this is so nice. We are going to remove the extra chocolate with a sharp knife and even the uneven edges, so that it looks even more better. And now we are going to wrap the chocolate with some foil, golden foil. You can get these foils from your bakery store or your general stores, and wrap it like this. These are easily available in market these nowadays. So wrap it like this. So wrapping the chocolate again increases the shelf life of the chocolate. So wrap it like this and it looks even better also. And if you don't have this kind of foil, you can use our very own aluminum foil, which we use to wrap our tiffins. So I'm taking this also for the another chocolate. So wrap it like this, and it looks better and increases the life of the chocolate. And I'm going to secure the chocolate from contamination from the environment. Now if you put these chocolates in airtight container, it will stay for longer. Now both the chocolates are ready and they are wrapped. You can further decorate it with your creativity. So let's wrap it again, decorate these chocolates. This looks really very nice, and you can impress your loved ones with these chocolates. Wow, so beautiful. So what I did, I have taken 2 white paper. You can take any kind of paper. You can glazed ones, you can take shiny ones, you can take any kind of paper you like, or you can use your creativity, just like I am doing. I am making little stars. You can make anything of your choice. I'm using sketch pens. You can use pencil ones, or the wax colors, or poster colors, or anything. You can put on stickers on it, glitters on it, or anything which you like. This is totally up to us how we are going to decorate our chocolate. So I am doing this today like this. Wrap it and secure it with some cello tape, and again you can tie a ribbon of your choice, or you can put any kind of sticker or like this, so it looks really nice. And for second one, I have just used the wax colors and drawn some colors on it, put lines on it. You can make or draw anything which you like. So both the chocolates are fully decorated and they are ready to be gifted, or you can gift to yourself also. So you can write any kind of note on it, wishes, maybe happy birthday, new year, valentine's, happy anniversary, anything, whatever you like. So our chocolates are ready, and I'm sure you liked it very much, and they look really very nice. So you can please your loved ones, your kids, your family, your friends with these chocolates, and you can gift it to them. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications